everybody, this is Sasha Matthew, and in this video, we'll be learning about non conventional sources of energy. Energy generated by using wind energy, solar energy, biogas energy, tidal energy, and geothermal energy are known as non conventional sources of energy. All these sources are renewable process of energy generation and do not cause environmental pollution. Our country has been endowed with adequate natural resources. First, we'll be looking about wind energy. The high speed winds rotate the windmill, which is connected to a generator to produce electricity. Wind farms having clusters of such windmills are located in coastal regions and in mountain passes where strong and steady wind blows. Windmills have been used for grinding grain and lifting water since times immemorial. There are few advantages and disadvantages of wind energy. First, we'll be looking up on advantages. It's non-polluting, low cost production of electricity once set up, and it's safe and clean. And disadvantages are noise pollution. Windmills are costly to set up, and it's harmful for birds. In India, wind farms are found in Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Andhra Pradesh. Wind farms are found in countries like Netherlands, Germany, USA, Spain, Denmark, and UK, and in many other countries also. Biggest wind farm in India is Jaisalmer Wind Park, located in the Jaisalmer district of Rajasthan. Next, we'll be seeing about solar energy. Solar energy trapped from the sun can be used in solar cells to produce electricity. Many of these cells are joined into solar panels to generate power for heating and lighting purpose. The technology of utilizing solar energy benefits a lot of tropical countries that are blessed with abundant sunshine. Uses of solar energies are solar heater, solar dryers, solar cookers, and traffic signals. There are few advantages and disadvantages of solar energies also. Advantages are inexhaustible and non-polluting, and disadvantages are expensive and diffuse source, so gets wasted. Biogas energy. Organic waste such as dead plant and animal material, animal dung, and kitchen waste can be converted in a gaseous fuel called biogas. Biogas is excellent fuel for cooking and lighting and produces huge amount of organic manure every year. Organic waste is decomposed by bacteria in biogas digesters to emit biogas, which is essentially a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. Advantages of biogas is its low cost, easy to operate, and make use of bio waste. And only one disadvantage is that it causes greenhouse effect. Next, we'll be seeing about tidal energy. Energy generated from tides is called tidal energy. Tidal energy can be harnessed by building dams at narrow openings of the sea. During high tide, the energy of the tides is used to turn the turbine installed in the dam to produce electricity. Advantages of tidal energies are it's non-polluting and inexhaustible, and disadvantages are destroys wildlife habitat and it is difficult to harness. Next, we'll be talking about geothermal energy. Heat energy obtained from the earth is called geothermal energy. The temperature in the interior of the earth rises steadily as we go deeper. Sometimes this heat energy may surface itself in the form of hot springs. This heat energy can be used to generate power. Uses of geothermal energy are cooking, heating, and bathing. In India, geothermal plants are in Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh and Puga Valley in Ladakh. Thank you.